everybody, my name is Graydon and today I'm going to be making my mom's everything bagels. This is what we need. We need everything bagel seasoning, we need salt, we need sugar, we need yeast, we need warm water, we need red flour, and we need a dough hook, and we need a mixer. Okay, step 1. First we need to pour the water into the bowl. Okay. Then we need the active dry yeast. Hold this carefully, it could spill over easily. You need to pour the active dry yeast in. Then you need sugar because sugar is yeast food and sugar helps the yeast puff up. Okay, now there you go. And after we do that, then we need to wait for 5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes. Step 2, you need some bread flour and, wait, hold on, alright, let me get my bread flour. Alright, you need the bread flour, you got to pour the bread flour in. And after you pour the bread flour in, you got to turn your stand mixer onto 1. Then after you do that, you need to do this a few more times. Step 3, flour your surface. Then you want to grab your dough from your mixer, place it on the floury surface, and then you just want to do this. I think it's called kneading. Mm-hmm. Yeah, kneading. Just like it's just like this. Step 4, you need to go to your oven and press bake. Now you want to set your degree of fire to 425 degrees. Then you click start. Okay, step 5, you make a pot of slightly boiling water, and then after you've done that, then you need to punch your dough like this. Step 6, roll your dough into a log like this, and then cut it into 12 equal pieces. Step 7, you want to flatten your dough and then roll them into little circles. Step 8, cover and let it rise for 10 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. Step 9 is making the holes in the dough. So how to make them is you have to squeeze and then you gotta make this and don't drop them. Carefully put them into the boiling water from the other step. I think 30 seconds?
Yep.
What?
Lightly sprinkle.
Oh, I guess that is a lot. Alright, let's just put the other ones in. Last step, you put your bagels in the oven and set them for 20 minutes. Okay, there we go. Oh, I can feel the heat. Ah! Alright, let's take them out. I'm ready now. Oof. Man, that's heavy. Alright, and there you have it. My mom's bagels.
Yeah.
Finally, you get to put cream cheese, or if you don't, on your bagel. Yum.